Bonus misconception number 5. Sobrang hirap makapasok sa radiology. Actually, no. Lalo na pag pinanood nyo yung next video ko, magbibigay ako doon ng tips kung paano mag-excel sa pre-residency. Hi everyone, I'm Doc Alvin Francisco. Welcome back to my channel. Right now it's 9:30 PM and I'm actually from duty. Sorry sa eye bags ko kung medyo lumalaki sila ngayon. Isipan ko kasi i-shoot na ngayon yung sinasabi ko sa inyo yung tips for pre-residency. Around here in Quezon City, nag-open na sila isa-isa eh. Natutuwa pala ako kasi dumadami na yung mga nagsusubscribe sa channel ko kahit paano. Nakakatuwa kasi mayroong mga people that I don't really know. So, ibig sabihin, marami akong na-reach. Thank you. Nakaka-inspire na gumawa pa lalo ng mga videos. My first tip, let's talk about your application forms. Dapat complete, stellar, concise, tapos dapat on time yung application form. Yung mga application forms na yan, binabasa yan isa-isa, mini-screen. So, dapat yung mga nakalagay doon, dapat honest. Every good points matter. High GPA, participation in extracurricular activities nung med or pre-med, high scores nung PLE, high scores nung NMAT, mga academic recognition sa mga subjects, best in anatomy, best in biochemistry, lahat lagay nyo, lahat ng parang tatatak na magpapakita na matalino kayo and magaling kayo. Even talents and special skills ilagay nyo. Naglagay ako doon ng able to play drums and guitar using GarageBand app. Tapos nilagay ko rin ng self-haircut as my special skills.
Wow! Oh my God!
Nung napili ako, tinatanong nila, uy, kamusta? Nakapag self-haircut ka pala, paano ginagawa yan? So, parang weird, pero basta lagay nyo kung ano yung maalala kayo ng mga consultants and seniors nyo. Pero dapat totoo, dapat honest. Okay? Tip number 2, always be kind, always be courteous to everyone na nasa department. Lalo na kasi you're not familiar with the department eh. So, kung sino man yung makakasalubong mo dyan, you won't know eh. Diba? Baka mamaya, consultant, bossing pala ng mga boss yun, hindi mo binate, diba? So, hindi kanya maalala.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Tumatata kasi sa kanila yun. Parang kung isipin mo, maliit na bagay siya, pero malaking impact yun. Pag may mga procedures, lalo na sa mga surgical field, OFTA, GS, OB, radio, na may IR, pag may procedure, always participate. Kasi it means na pag nagpa-participate yung isang pre-resident, it shows na may enthusiasm siya sa ginagawa niya. It shows na willing siya to be trained and talagang may interest siya sa ginagawa niya, di ba? Saan na ba ako? Next tip, always show your strength. Kung saan ka magaling, tatlo yun, di ba? Knowledge, skills, attitude. Kung saan ka magaling sa tatlo, yun yung pakita mo. Kung magaling ka sa knowledge, academically, sobrang talino mo, top ka ng class, ang tataas na exams mo, pakita mo. May exams kasi yan yung pre-residency period. So, dun ka mag-focus sa strength mo na yun. Skills. Kung magaling ka sa skills, pakita mo. Kung mag-participate ka lagi pag may mga procedure. Kung mapansin yun ng mga seniors, ng mga consultant, ipakita mo na magaling ka dumiskarte sa steps sa paggawa ng surgery or ng mga radiologic procedures. Pakita mo na may diskarte ka. Pakita mo sa kanila na nung correction mo at internship mo, marami ka ng enough yung experience mo to handle higher level of skills. Number 3, attitude. Hindi ka masyadong magaling sa knowledge, average. Skills, average lang din. Attitude, very important. Actually, attitude yung hinahanap sa pre-residency period. Kasi knowledge and skills, as you go along, matututunan naman yan eh. Pero attitude, mahirap baguhin kasi. Ito yung number 1 yung tatandaan. Lamang ng pre-resident na may magandang attitude, yung pre-residents na magaling sa skills or knowledge. Kung anong attitude yung pinakita ng pre-resident, starting from the training, most likely, ganoon na rin siya hanggang dulo. So, kung okay siya, okay attitude niya, mabait, magalang, trainable, most likely ganoon na siya hanggang dulo. Pero kung makulit siya at hindi trainable, most likely, hindi naman lahat, pero yung iba kasi nagbabago, pero most likely ganoon na siya hanggang dulo. Compare mo sa knowledge and skills na natututunan. Di ba pag pumasok naman kayo ng pre-residents, pare-pares naman kayong walang alam sa field na yun. Kaya nga kayo mag-undergo ng training. Among the 3, attitude talaga yung tinitingnan. Emphasize ko lang yung importance ng being trainable. There are applicants na natatanggap pero hindi sila tumatagal during the period of training kasi they're not trainable. So maybe after 2 years, 3 years ng training, nawawala sila sa program kasi hindi sila na-mold, yung attitude nila tsaka yung ugali nila hindi nababago. Remember, residency is training. You are all trainees. Dapat nagpapatrain kayo sa mga bossing nyo, sa mga consultant nyo. You're not doing residency because of source of money, pero dapat you're doing residency because you want to be trained na mabago yung self mo to a better doctor. Kailangan ko na-emphasize to talaga. Attitude talaga yung number 1. Okay? Lamang nang may magandang attitude, yung mga pre-residents na magaling sa skills or knowledge. Don't be over-competitive.
No! God, please, no! No!
We had experiences before sa mga pre-residents namin na sobrang competitive. Mapapansin mo talaga na hindi sila yun. Hindi yun yung tunay na personality. Hindi yun yung tunay na personality nila. OA, minsan OA, minsan hindi natural. For example, we had an applicant before, sobrang competitive. Anyway, we had experiences before na may mga applicants na sobrang over-competitive nila na nagiging awkward for the consultant. Merong isang applicant, siya na yung naglalagay ng gel dun sa katawan ng patient during the ultrasound rotation. Hindi naman dapat ginagawa yun. Consultant pa rin naman yung may hawak ng gel tsaka probe. So, consultant's control yun. We had an applicant before na during the reporting, ang bilis niya magsalita, hyper siya na wala kaming naintindihan dun sa content nung sinasabi niya.
Nag-away sa simula. Pagkatapos ito nagkaroon sila ng pag-aaway na sa simula.
Huwag niyong gawing competition yung pre-residency. Actually, pre-residency is not a competition. Ang goal ng pre-residency is for you to find out kung yun ba talaga yung field na gusto mo. Parang pinag-aaralan mo yung self mo kung talagang you fit in that specialty training. Kasi nandun ka, train ka for 4 years or 5 years, tapos after that, long period of time, yun na yung gagawin mo habang buhay. Will you be happy with that field? Parang reflection mo yun sa sarili mo. So just be yourself. After all, we're hiring you, not the person you showed during the pre-residency period. Minsan, exhausting yung pre-residency kasi hindi ka sanay sa mga bagong ginagawa. Lalo na yung mga fresh board passer. Hindi sila sanay na mag-jump agad into hospital setting na may ginagawa. Focus on your goal. Remember to put in your mind lagi kung ano yung reason ba't ka nag-apply for pre-residency. Huwag dapat mawawala sa mind mo. Kung nawawala ka ng motivation, isipin mo lagi yung reason kung bakit ka andun. Choosing a specialty is hard kasi hindi ka lang naman gagawa ng diagnostic procedures, hindi ka lang gawa ng OR, hindi ka lang basta gagawa ng magpapaanak. Yun yung gagawin mo for the rest of your life. So dapat be committed in your craft if you want to succeed. Ako honestly, during my first year here ng training, medyo nahirapan din ako kasi sobrang ibang environment siya. Dumating sa point na parang ayaw ko na rin. Pero eventually, nalagpas ako yung phase na yun, hindi naintindihan ko kung bakit ganun yung ginagawa sa amin. Kasi it's for us naman Parang na-realize ko sa self ko, kailangan kami mapagalitan, kailangan kami mapagsabihan para galingan namin. They're actually concerned sa'yo. So ulitin ko lang. Number 1, complete, stellar, honest, concise, on-time application forms, always be kind, courteous, respectful to everyone in the department, always participate in the procedures, show and focus on your strength, knowledge, skills, attitude. But among the 3, attitude is the most important. Don't be over-competitive, focus on your goal and always be motivated. Last, always be committed sa craft or sa skills na ginagawa mo. Kasi yan na yung gagawin mo for the rest of your life. Okay? So that's it. So kung may mga topics pa pala kayo na gustong pag-usapan, comment down below. Quick shoutout to the following people: Dr. Joren Ferencita, Dr. Timothy De Leon, Dr. Joe Flores, Sir Dante Narag, Sir M. Hanerol, Dr. Liklik Santiago. So sa lahat ng mga nagsusubscribe sa channel ko, thank you very much. It means a lot to me. Virtual hug. Peace.